Alright then, just taking a quick look at Solana on our daily time frame for another daily update on the channel. Before we begin, as always, please do go down in the description and grab yourself some amazing deals from our partners. Tons of free money on offer, so sign up below and get involved with those. As you can see here, Solana looking like it is just selling off to the downside here. In line with Bitcoin, very high correlation, very obvious correlation. This all just depends on Bitcoin. It's nothing to do with Solana specifically. Bitcoin doing its best to pull back the markets right now. Traditional markets, the Nasdaq, if you take a look here, quite clearly, moving very bearish here, sweeping out liquidity and having these big moves to the downside. And as a result, Bitcoin has been pulling back in line with that, and that's been dumping Solana. Very simple. Bitcoin here moving very bearish, looking like market maker sell model. We're obviously coming up here, we're bullish, we start breaking structure to the downside. We're trying to push to the upside, but we're making these tiny encroachments on the all-time high. And then we start getting big fat rejections. We start respecting these big bearish, this huge bearish daily BPR here. Two fair value gaps stacked on top of each other, one here and one here. We respect this 3 times and then just absolutely collapse to the downside. Seeking liquidity to the downside here, sweeping out tons and tons of people's stop losses on the way down. To be honest, this should complete down here at 75k if I'm being honest, and we might yet see that this week, but overall looking very extended here, and I'd probably expect Bitcoin to have a short-term retrace at the very least after absolutely scything through these 50% and 618 Fibonacci levels here. Just because the traditional markets are looking so bearish, you can see Bitcoin here also losing this potential trend line that we've been holding throughout this bull market here, as you can see. So right now, Bitcoin in a bit of a precarious place, I would say. We're just going to have to wait and see if it can get a bounce to the upside. But obviously, all this means for Solana is we've got to wait for Bitcoin to bounce. And then if Bitcoin bounces, Solana will bounce here. Right now, Solana just looking like it's basically come down, swept this liquidity here. And to be honest, in a position where it could bounce, it's bounced here many times in the past. At this, what we're looking at, 120, 100, 122. Anywhere from around that $100 level to $120, you can see we've bounced here continuously. Big psychological area of support, I think, for Solana. You can see here, when we got down to $100 last time, very big level of support. We could continue down to this level before bouncing, in my opinion. Right now, we're just waiting for Bitcoin, as always. Please do like and subscribe, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Check back every day for some daily updates and get some free money in the description below. Cheers.